Hey everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes, ready to do another shop walk around here. We're gonna go through some cars here, see exactly what we got going on, and hopefully get you a little bit of a closer look at what we do here. So here we have Steve's 2012 Grand Sport. It was having some AC issues, so we actually traced it down to the HVAC curtain, which controls where the cold air goes to in the car. It actually came off the track and rolled up into itself, so everything was blowing out all the vents all the time. To get to it, at least to this air box, this is how far down we had to take it. And we still have to get this air box out because the ribbon lives inside of here. The funny thing is this car will start up and drive as it's sitting right now. We didn't take out anything that would disrupt the any of the electrical system of it being actually able to run and drive as a normal car. A little weight reduction, if you like. Here we have a 2014 C7. This is one of our favorite, very loyal customers that comes sees us. We've done a lot of work to his car. He has a lot of plans for the future of the car. We've already did the Z06 front grille in the front because it was a base when it started. He ordered the E5 wheels. Those are a local company out of Florida who build only Corvette wheels. They came out real nice to his specifications and colors to help match his top. He came in for some sway bar end links. Tony has some footage he'll show you. Those are some serious sway bars. It definitely made a big difference to the vehicle and how it handled. There's 0 to none body roll on the car anymore. Of course, when we installed it, we installed the bars first. It has adjustable sway bar end links, so you have to make sure the suspension is all nice and settled before getting those adjustable sway bar end links in, so there's 0 preload on those sway bars. Previously, he also installed C7 Z06 shocks on here, much more beefy, gave it a much more agile ride. We also recently installed a 194-degree thermostat, trying to keep those temperatures down while he's in stop and go traffic, because he uses that as a commuter car actually. You can't really see it, but it is running a Borla exhaust on the back, so it sounds real nice and rumbly when you're going down the road. Definitely lets the other drivers know that you're there and you're there to conquer. Here we have a 2008 Z06. It's come in for a pre-purchase inspection. The gentleman is thinking about buying it, but he wanted to know exactly what he was getting into. As that it is a Z06 and it's close to that 40,000 mile range, he wanted to go ahead and go through everything, make sure that it was a nice sound car before he went and put his hard-earned money down for it. So we're going to take a look at it from front to rear and everything in between and tell him exactly what we find on it. And so what we're going to do is check all of his fluids, make sure everything's nice and tight. Any damage or anything that we see, we document it and let him know right away. Any abnormalities or anything like that, and what future maintenance will be required to keep the vehicle in running good condition. Z06, baby. Here we have Steve's 2002 C5 Z06 track car. The last time you saw this, it was completely torn apart because we had to replace the cylinder 7 piston. Everything's back together. Everything's running as it should. Did a little track prep on it, made sure all the fluids were good, that all our nuts and bolts were tight. Getting ready for a track day at Sebring this weekend. Steve and Lyle will be out there. And if you in the area want to go check it out, see Steve and Lyle, say hi, look for the blue Z06 ripping around the track, and you'll find them. You want to drive? Yeah, you can take. You can, no, that's for me. Do the whole thing or just?
Yeah, you do the whole thing over.
All right, everyone. Well, that's been another shop walk around here at C&S Corvettes. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like what you're seeing and hearing here. Also remember, again, Stephen Lyle will be out at Sebring racing that 2002 Z06 around the track. So if any of you have time to get out there, go ahead and go out there and see him and say hi. All right, until next time, take it easy.